If you're looking for mental health treatment for yourself or someone you care about, here's how to use Recovery.com to find a treatment center in minutes, one that fits your needs. Let's say you have a friend, Sarah, who lives in Massachusetts and is really struggling with depression. She has Aetna insurance, and you know she's looking for something that she can do after work that fits her schedule in the evening. First, using the search bar, we'll enter in her location. Her zip code is 01801. That helps us find nearby options. Next, because Sarah's struggling with depression, I'll select depression in the conditions. Now we'll look for some programs that offer intensive outpatient under levels of care, because this program can usually be done after school or work in the evenings. Finally, we'll pick Aetna under insurance. That way we're only seeing places that we know Sarah can actually afford. Here we can see a list of centers within 60 miles of Sarah's area code. Let's click this and bring it down to 15 miles. Now we have a list of outpatient centers close to her that accept her insurance, treat her condition, and have the levels of care that she needs, all in about a minute. Let's click into one and see if it looks like a good match. Here we are. This profile gives you everything you need. At a glance, you can see reviews, accreditations, highlights, and contact info that connects directly to the treatment center. Next, you can view pictures of the facility and read about what makes the center unique. If you click treatment at the top or just scroll down, it'll show you the center's specializations, treatment services, approaches, therapies, amenities, and more. And further down, you'll even see the staff and their credentials. Review as many profiles as you want to compare treatment options and find what's best for you. When you're ready, you can connect directly from each center's profile page. Call, email, or visit their website. That's it. Search based on your needs, compare your options, and connect with centers directly. Recovery is possible, and now finding the right support is too. Find treatment today at Recovery.com.